Hey everybody, welcome back to PC 911. I want to show you what we're working on here today. This is an HP all-in-one computer. It's a business computer, and it was slow and having issues. So you would think that at a business computer you wouldn't have it all junked up like this. This is a malware byte scan, one of the scans that we use. 1,000 identified threats. So if you go through these, what happens is people just go online. Of course, at work, not everybody's working all the time, right? So we just go through these, and these are called PUP, potentially unwanted programs, and there's 1,000 of them. So what happens is they're working, they're taking up resources on your computer, they're doing its own little thing going on, giving you pop-ups, feeding you ads, all kinds of crazy stuff that slows down your computer. And eventually, when you get so many of them, it'll just make your computer crash. So periodic cleaning. Actually, the best bet is stay safe. Make sure you're on sites that you recognize. When you get a pop-up, read it. Make sure you're not installing something that you're totally unaware of. Those kind of things. Remember also that pretty much 99, probably 0.9% of all malware viruses target Windows computers. Okay, we specialize over here at PC 911 in Windows, Mac, and Linux. Linux is the leader as far as resistance to viruses, primarily because no one's making a virus for Linux. So that's what we call virus-proof computer. When you see our ads, when you see us talk about virus-proof computers, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about Linux. So you could continue to use your Windows. I don't recommend it at all for the internet. You do not need Windows to surf the internet. You may need it for your other software. Maybe you got some graphics software. Maybe you got QuickBooks. Maybe you have iTunes, things like that. That you would need Windows for. But just for your surfing, which for the most part could be up to 80–90% of what you do on your computer, you do not need to run Windows. You could come check us out at PC 911 here in Miami, and we'll show you a dual boot operating system, meaning a computer that has Windows for when you need those specialty programs, but when you're going to surf the net, you will use Linux, and you'll have your same Google Chrome, or you could use Firefox if you have a preference there, and you will be able to surf the internet, any link, any email. Never worry about a virus, a pop-up, none of this stuff again. So come check us out at PC 911.